get across the street. I got all my shit, I got all my gear down here. Forgot my camera. So I've never fished here once. Not in this location. I fished this pond very briefly. It's a little bit heavier, guys, a little bit heavier swim jig. Got him. Got him. Yes! First bass at this location. First Pemmy. Let's go, baby! Hey! Just gotta get out of the sand real quick. But hey, second bass of the day. First largemouth. Aggressive. I don't feel like the swim jig is going to be the money here. Oh, stop, dude. Please. I'm trying to help you out, man. Stop. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I really am trying to help you out. Beautiful. There we go. There we go. Small bass. Okay, Senko worms, baby. Can't beat them. Gary Yamamoto's. couple more casts left, and then we gotta switch over the battery. Actually, oops, sorry. All right, guys, I didn't get this on camera, but I got a nice little bass. Nice little bass. Again, third bass at this location. So, camera died. The camera died for that guy. He's got some mud on him. So I'll revive him a little bit. Oh, he doesn't need any reviving. He's good to go. One minute. OJ win it, you'll wonder how I did it. My mom hit me once, she look at it and sue, but I stomp y'all out like a dummy can sue. Oh! Let's go. Look, there's a white clean bass in here, man. Hits the bass jig. Please tell me this one's on here. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's a nice bass, man. Woo! Going fast, going fast. That fish? No, damn it. Should have set that hook way harder. Come here. Yes! Set that hook good on that one. On the lizard, man. The zoom lizard. A lot of white, very, very, almost no color, or very light color on these bass. I wonder if it's just because there's not a lot of shade here. Beautiful. Got a little gut on that guy. Fourth bass on camera, fifth bass here. 6 bass today. Another 6 bass day, limit. Look at that little chunk, man. He's got some tub to him. Crushed that thing right away. He freaking got me, man.